Turmeric is the spice that gives curry its yellow color. It has been used in India for thousands of years as a spice and medicinal herb. Recently, science has started back up what Indians have known for a long time: it really does contains compounds with medicinal properties. Here are several drugs that can be replaced with turmeric. 1. Aspirin, blood thinner. Studies have shown that curcumin contains antiplatelet effects, which indicates that it may be a safer and more natural treatment option than aspirin, for patients who are prone to vascular thrombosis. 2. Metformin, diabetes drug. In a study found that curcumin is able to activate AMPK, which increase glucose uptake. According to the study, curcumin was found to be 500 times to 10,000 times more potential than metformin in activating activated proteins kinase, AMPK. 3. Atorvastatin, cholesterol medication. In a 2008 study, research found that a standard preparation of curcuminoids from turmeric protomol are better than the drug atorvastatin or Lipitor. Turmeric is more effective at reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in patients with diabetes. 4. Anti-inflammatory drugs. According to 2004 study, curcumin was found to be an effective alternative to many anti-inflammatory drugs thanks to its powerful natural anti-inflammatory properties. The study showed that curcumin may be used instead of ibuprofen, sulindac, naproxen, celecoxib and tenoxaparin. 5. Oxaliplatin, chemotherapy drug. A study published in International Journal of Cancer in 2009 found that curcumin was more effective as an anti-proliferative agent in colorectal cell lines, compared to the chemotherapy drug oxaliplatin. Other studies have shown that curcumin is able to target several types of cancer including lungs cancer, melanoma, breast cancer, ovarian cancer and gastrointestinal cancer. 6. Corticosteroids, steroid medications. A study published in Phytotherapy Research found that curcumin, the primary polyphonic turmeric, was able to better manage an inflammatory eye disease compared to steroids. 7. Fluoxetine and imipramine, antidepressants. A study of 2011 published in Acta Polona Pharmaceutica, curcumin was more effective than both Prozac and imipramine at reducing depressive behavior in an animal model. If you like the video, share with your friend. And for more videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.